Okay, I'm going from Lago Agrio bus terminal to Lumbaqui, and there's supposed to be a bus coming here somewhere to Lumbaqui, and it's gonna be $3. Okay, I'm in Lumbaqui. I'm over here at the hostel, and it is called Alcala de Rio Dorado. This is what I bought this evening. We've got beans or frijoles, potatoes, papas, and we had some like cabbage salad, which I ate most of already. It was like $1.25, $1.50. People on the street, they were just serving it right off the street on a cart. And a lot of people were there. It's very good. I'm in the town of Lumbaqui, about an hour and a half outside of Lago Agrio. Small town. People are friendly. Heading to Cascada San Rafael, the tallest waterfall in Ecuador. I'm on the bus now to Cascada San Rafael. Okay, just got off the bus. I'm at the Cascada San Rafael, as you can see the sign here. They dropped me off here. Fortunately, there's a little bit of shelter, there's some rain. I'm gonna cover up with a poncho, head down to the falls. So the bus ride was only $1.50 from Lumbaqui, and yesterday I took the bus, and that was $2 from Lago Agrio to Lumbaqui. So approximately an hour from Lumbaqui to here. And maybe about an hour and a half, 2 hours from Lago Agrio to Lumbaqui. From the center, trail says 1.5 kilometers. Small little waterfall on the way. Oh, nice. It's raining a bit, and there's clouds, but still get a nice view of the falls. The highest waterfall in Ecuador. I want to show you the inside of the hut. Got on the bus, and it's $9 to Quito from Cascada San Rafael. Stopped at a gas station for a bathroom break. See, I got me some yuca chips. Starting to head into the highlands of the Andes. Beautiful waterfall. Coming into Quito. E4 from the Quitumbre station, and now I'm on the E3, I believe, going up to the La Paz station. Saturday night, right where this parking place is, got some people selling hamburgers for $1.50. So I'm gonna go for one. And they put some salad in, ketchup, and salsa.